baby get in a mommy's tummy?
I don't know.
How does a baby get out of a mommy's tummy?
I'm gonna tell you when everything comes out.
Oh, okay.
When did everything grow out of your tummy?
When did he grow out of my tummy?
What days did he grow on your tummy?
2 years ago.
Hey, Mom. Why did he grow?
Because all babies grow in mommy's tummies.
I know why he comes in your tummy. Because he was inside somebody. Them growed it back into your tummy. And people just tried to pull Evan out. Then he was alive.
Yeah. What happened when you were in mommy's tummy?
I disappeared.
Where'd you go?
I don't know.
How'd you get out?
I grew out.
You grew out?
Then that's how you bited me.
Oh, I bought you?
You bited me.
Mommies don't buy babies.
But when babies grow, that's how they buy.
Who buys?
There's a baby guy that you gotta pay money to. That's how your baby stays a little.
Oh, you have to pay money to a baby guy? And then what does the baby guy do?
He tells you his name. His name is Wendy.
Wendy?
Oh. That's a boy guy.
Oh.
He's the one who plays me.
And what does he do then after you pay him money?
He tells you his name, then he gives you a special new tweet.
Oh, I thought you get a baby.
Well, if you buy him dollars, and if you get a baby, he buys babies something to drink.
He buys babies something to drink?
He buys a bottle and something to drink with, maybe more.
And then what happens?
That's what happens.